Good evening. There are some windows of dry weather on the way in the coming few days, but at the moment there are still numerous flood warnings out. The seas are really very stormy still around our shores, particularly western shores, and we do have further showers to come tonight. That's on this massive cloud here that you can see starting to move its way through the English Channel. On this area of cloud here, another developing area of low pressure which will come in through Wednesday night mostly, and into Thursday, and that will give another dose of rain, fairly significant rain. And unfortunately, this one may exacerbate the flood situation across southern and eastern areas through the nighttime period, with more rain coming onto saturated ground. Further showers in the north and west, but by and large, the winds are lightening. The temperatures will fall lower than they did last night, so we could have a touch of frost in the Grampian region, but by and large, most places remain frost-free and relatively mild, but frost will return as we get towards our quieter windows of weather. Or a quieter window of weather for many of us tomorrow, in that there won't be as many showers around, they won't be as intense as they've been today, and the winds won't be as strong. So there'll be some sunshine around, it'll feel quite pleasant enough. However, as the day progresses, we'll be watching the next batch of cloud coming off the Atlantic. So for the north, not such an issue here. It's still sunshine and showers, fewer showers than today. The wind's not as strong. 7 or so degrees is around about average for this time of year. Largely escaping the showers into the afternoon, hopefully through Northern Ireland and Northern England. Can't promise it dry here or through the Midlands and East Anglia, but certainly we're seeing some wetter weather by the afternoon, marching back in across the Bristol Channel into South Wales, across the Devon and Cornwall region and the Isles of Scilly as well, and towards the Channel Islands, I should imagine, for the evening rush. Not very pleasant at all. It might well stay clear, the heaviest rain of the south and the east, but for many another 10 to 20 millimetres of rain, possibly double that over the hills of Wales and northern England, where temporarily it could fall as snow through Snowdonia as well. It looks as if Northern Ireland and Scotland should escape that rain, but a pretty miserable rush hour on Thursday morning before we have a ridge of high pressure building, and then another area of rain pushes in through Friday. It looks like a fairly narrow band of rain actually, and then after that, perhaps a ridge of high pressure builds. So a quieter spell of weather for many as we head towards the weekend. Possibly 2 days of drier weather with lighter winds, a little bit of sunshine around, but more rain on the way by the end of Sunday.